so it's only the first time he's actually driven Crystal Palace in anger with race suit and a crash helmet on. And
quite early on the brakes though, and sort of lolloping starboard slightly the YouTuber, and so I really do recommend you lose all of the following weeks searching through them. I've lost count of the hours and days I've lost.
So next up on and already on to our sprint track here today, car 52. This is George Wright, 44.39 previous best. So car 159,
Andrew Jackson in the Alfa Romeo.
48.72, second time run.
I wouldn't say necessarily setting the world on fire there, but
he improved his previous time there. So improvement on each time run is what it's all about, really, at the end of the day. As car 52 comes up, this is 44.39, Mr. Wright, 44.39, Jono. How's it looking down there?
So next up, yeah, it's number 51 in the Porsche. This is Steve Henson. Just over 3.5 litre engine for this one, but despite that, still not in the top 3 at the moment. This is being competed by those slightly further down the line. As I just look.
It's not that great. It's not the World Rally Championship, but still, there you go.
Because actually, the only thing up, it looks just like an old bit of, well, I don't want really all drive, but a pretty good look for the hatchback. It is just like 7 instruments that I am good time runs here today.
This is an Alfa Romeos, Giulietta, and with a great clean start. I think I would
Robert as well. And Big Alfred is a name that he remembers from the past.
okay, just to mention those cars the Alfa Romeos
are attracting to the drive out.
going out for a nice doodle around the park there.
That's what they were done to Motorsport,
The track then continued in its current configuration up to victory. Beautiful wiggle as he gets
a tiny run, but I'm not sure it's going to improve on his first time.
well done for this defending class champion.